Here's a 2017 Audi A7. Why chase trends when you can create them? This car takes the lead with passionate performance and confidence that sticks. 2017s have subtle styling enhancements from the previous model year. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system, heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, power sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled supercharged V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, heated steering wheel, sport suspension, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver offers what makes the A7 special is that it's one of those rare pieces of kinetic sculpture that makes its owner grateful for the gift of eyesight. With a passion for performance, this A7 has a powerful, smooth engine and spirited handling. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.